Hello, everybody. Again, Jeff Affronti, annuityexperts.com, FSD Financial Services. Going to be doing a review of the Truth About Annuities, an insurance company flyer. This is a flyer, Great American Life, who's personally preface all this with Great American Life's awesome company. They're A+ rated. Historically, have done really great on renewals and everything. I love what they do. Recently upgraded to A+, well, pretty recently. So we got a really great company here. So I don't want by any means to say anything I say in this review against them. This is great that they actually put a client-facing piece out and they're promoting annuities. So everything here is good. I just want to go through the thing and let you guys know it exists and see if anyone wants to use it, or if you have any issues or questions with what's being said, or you want to add to it at all. Let's just go ahead and jump in and take a look at the Truth of Annuities, the Great American Flyer, client-facing. Oh, I can't read it from that far away. All right. So you may be familiar with annuities, but you may also be surprised about what they can mean for your retirement. Take a look at some of the top annuity myths and truths behind them. So let's start. So the first myth they mention is annuities lock up your money. So that's the myth. The truth is, they say the truth is annuities are designed as long-term savings vehicles. However, most annuities allow at least a certain percentage of money to be withdrawn each year without an early withdrawal charge, right? That's your free withdrawal provision. So that's 10% usually on indexed annuities. They can vary on multi-year guarantee annuities to no free withdrawals to up to 15%, actually even higher than that if they're cumulative. So yes, this is true. Annuities lock up your money for a certain period of time currently. However, let's look at this. Certain in the past, and as interest rates rise, there are what called no surrender annuities. And these are great, especially if you're over 59 and a half. A no surrender annuity is a liquid annuity. You can be in it for 30 days. Those currently are only available for not-for-profits, and I have about one company that offers it. It's a 2% rate, and they're liquid every 90 days. They would like to see it. So that's not tying up your money. Also, if you're over 59 and a half and you do a 3-year, it locks up your money for up to 3 years. But you can leave after that because you're over 59 and a half. There's no excise tax and all that. So yes, annuities lock up your money. And the truth is that most do have it. And they also have other provisions such as nursing home withdrawals, hardship withdrawals, annuitization that will waive surrender charges. So yeah, there's a lot of truth to that. And I agree with it completely. And yeah, annuities lock up your money, but there's a good reason why. They give you more for when they lock it up. Also protects the insurance company. So let's look at the next one. Annuity guarantees are unreliable. Truth. Annuity guarantees are backed by the claims paying abilities of the issuing insurance company. Accordingly, you should only purchase annuities from a trusted, financially strong company. So there's rating agencies like AM Best and S&P and all these out there, and they'll go out and they'll rate your company based on how well they could weather a hardship. You know, if you're A+, you can weather a hardship much better than a B+, and that's the idea. However, all these companies are solvent and can pay their claims. So whether you're at a B++ or an A-, they're equally can pay all claims. So annuity guarantees unreliable? I'd say no, they're extremely reliable. I've in the business 25 years, I've never seen where a guarantee hasn't been paid. So those type of things, the guarantees of the interest rates and all that, and then financial security, I always tell people just Google it. Google insurance companies and annuities and how many people have lost money in annuities because of insolvency or something like that. And just go ahead and do your own research. But I'd say the truth is annuity guarantees are extremely strong and extremely reliable. And of course, you'd look at top rated carriers and the claims of the carrier and their surplus and all that. Of course, that's what your agent, and that's what we do. So yes, truth is annuities are guaranteed and they are reliable overall. And there's a long history of them being reliable, you know, long history of them being reliable. Okay, annuities won't help supplement my income once I retire. Truth. Annuities come with a variety of payout options that can provide a steady income stream. Additionally, an income rider may be added to a fixed indexed annuity for an additional charge to help your income base grow and guarantee your income. So, you know, if you know you want a certain amount of income at retirement, and indexed annuity is really great. You know, there's fees on all that. So if you're not 100% sure you're going to annuitize and keep it with the company for life, I don't know about paying a fee for it. But yes, Annuities, immediate annuities, can guarantee a lifetime income. Stripping the interest forever will guarantee an income for a very, very long time. So actually, annuities are a very good way to supplement income once you retire because they're guaranteed, they're strong. Certain cases, they can protect against creditors. So very good. Guarantee your income for life. Longevity protection is where it's at. Next, myth. If I have an annuity and I pass away, I lose my money. Truth. Many annuities provide built-in death benefit that is paid directly to beneficiaries without the cost and delays of probate. Don't hear about this enough. Used to be a big talking point. If you pass away before the payments begin, your beneficiaries receive the greater of the account value, which is your full value, minus any charges, taxes, or loan balances. So if you have any of those, they will be deducted. Or the guaranteed minimum surrender value if that's higher than your accumulation or value to walk away with. Very rarely ever see that. Usually an MVA could possibly bring you up above that, but not going forward here with interest rates rising. So depending on the payout option, your loved ones may continue receiving a benefit of payments for a specific period of time. That's if the payments already started. So if you have a life in 10 and you die in the 5th year, 5 years of payments will go to your heirs. If it's a refund, then whatever's left of the premium will go to your heirs as well. Built-in death benefits. Some companies make you buy the death benefit, but what I've seen going forward is most companies give the full accumulation value at death, as most clients are not going to select against an insurance company by killing or dying. So that's not something that's going to happen. We don't see a lot of selection for death. And that avoiding probate's a big deal. You can name your own beneficiaries. I've seen people name up to 7 beneficiaries and the exact percentages they want. Just add an extra sheet and it will go directly once they receive that death certificate right to those beneficiaries. Really great feature about annuities. Remember, it's insurance. Annuities are insurance. So it works as assurance. It should work. Annuities are too expensive. Truth. Generally, there are no maintenance or annual fees with a fixed or fixed indexed annuity. Optional riders that provide additional benefits may be available for an additional charge. Well, that's new. You know, before these income riders came in, you used to be able to say there are no fees, no charges in fixed annuities. I very rarely promote fee-based products unless there's a really good reason. I don't see a reason to buy up a cap when you can get one for no cost at another company just so you can put money with a certain company. The income riders, they make sense. I don't like the fact that your account balance can go backwards if there's a 0 year and they still take the fee. That takes all the, there's no longer a compounding in fee-based products. If there's any 0 years, you lose, you can't really call them compounding products. Are annuities too expensive? No, there's really, for the most part, there's no cost. And anything you see, especially with a multi-year guarantee annuity, if they quote you a 3% rate and you're going to make that 3% every year, there's no additional fees the agents are charging or anything that's going to ding into that rate. All that's built into the cost of the product before it hits the street. So there's no additional fees or charges for the most part. And the only time I really like to use it is if I got a client that says, hey, I want $2,000 a month starting in 10 years. We can dial that in today using a fee-based product and it's all done. And you have the option at the end to not do it if you want, but you did pay that fee for those 10 years. So anyway, overall, I think this is a really great piece. It can be shared with your clients. It says contact your financial professional for more information about the truth about annuities. So I like when the companies do this stuff. It's client facing, it's client oriented, it's about annuities, it's talking about fixed stuff, it's general. And we like that. So overall, I give it an A+. Thank you to Great American once again for helping the annuity producer, not forgetting about us out here, even on the fixed side. And again, Great American also has some fantastic rates that came out this month. If you're not licensed with them, please give me a call. And if you are, go check out their rate sheet. Look at their indexes. They got like a 3-year, they got a 5-year with outstanding caps. And once again, those caps like lock in. They don't change those renewals very much at all. Very important with your carrier to see that. Again, thanks all for watching. Hope you all have a good day. Follow me on YouTube and LinkedIn and all these good places over there. I really appreciate it. I got most of them, like 99% of the people that watch the videos don't follow or subscribe. So that would be nice if we can get some more of that. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Hope you all have the great rest of your week and have a good day. Bye-bye.